Learning about the history of watches can be fun, fascinating for children. Here are 5 interesting and catchy historical facts about making watches. Number 1. Ancient sun clocks. Long ago, people didn't have watches. They used special sun clocks called sundials to tell the time. Sundials worked by casting a shadow that moved as the sun moved, helping people know what time it was during the day. Number 2. Tiny gears and springs. In olden days, people made watches with lots of tiny gears and springs. These little pieces all worked together to make the watch's hands move and show the time accurately. Number 3. Switch watch magic. Switzerland is like a watchmaking wizard. They have been making watches for a very long time, and they are known for making watches that are super precise and well crafted. Number 4. Watches for brave soldiers. During a big war a long time ago, soldiers needed a quick way to know the time. So they started wearing watches on their wrist. It was much easier to check the time this way, and that's how wrist watches became popular. Number 5. Magic crystal watches. In the modern times, people figured out how to make watches using special magic crystal called quartz. These quartz watches are super accurate and helped make watches affordable for lots of people. Watches have a cool history that goes way back in time, from sun clocks to tiny gears, and from brave soldier to magical crystals. Learning about it can make you appreciate the wristwatch on your arm a whole lot more. Thanks for watching.